Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my best friend Jade. I have no idea who this unicorn girl is. But for today's video, we are gonna be playing Where's Cassie Part 2. So, we just finished Part 1 at the last video. So, this is Part 2.
Just watch it.
Yeah. This is take 1. Because I feel like Jade is gonna get disconnected. Hoy! Alis dyan! Also, baka medyo mag-slow kami sa video na to. So,
Bro,
Pero ko mag-jowa yan.
okay, unicorn underscore 564 and gold kid avatar.
Guys, again, paki-ignore na lang po ng aking username.
Yeah, she wants to eat her parts.
Grabe kayo sa akin. Grabe ka sa akin.
I'm already scared, bro.
This game contains jump scares and blah blah blah. So guys, if takot kayo sa jump scare, I don't know.
I wonder what this portal leads to. I need to go and find Cassie. Bro, no! Hayaan nyo na si Cassie.
Okay, so pumasok ata tayo sa portal.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Bro, ano?
What's this?
We need to go and wait.
Oh, ito. Yun. Hi, Be.
Bro,
Why
look,
is Cassie's house upside down? I have no idea.
Hey, how do we get in? Oh no.
No, okay.
I think we're just trapped here. Look.
Oo nga, no. We can't jump pa naman.
I think we have to figure a way.
We can go here. I don't like how you can see my neck, by the way. Maybe the front key is in one of the rooms? But upside down yung house. Nalilito. Hoy! This wasn't here dati. This wasn't here dati.
Yeah, it's. Oh no, I'm scared.
This.
Here. Man, there's like this thing. I think. Yeah. Scared.
Oh. One.
We need more.
Yeah, I think so.
Bro, ano to? Okay, I found an axe.
Na-open ko yung kitchen. Kaya na to. Diyos ko. Hindi pala. Isa
There's
pa.
an axe. Okay, I found the last axe.
Okay. Okay na to. Pasok na tayo, guys. Oy! I don't think this tree was here dati.
No, it was there. I was the one who always went here. Oh no, why can't this door be open?
What door?
I'm lagging.
Hi! Don't you dare, boy. I will smack you. Oh, I found the key.
Oh, this is
House
where the
key.
Ouija
Boy,
board
I
is.
found the house key.
I think it's for the hallway door over here.
Where?
There.
Dito?
Yeah.
Nalas ko lang, parang hindi to upside down. Oh, never mind. Ay, mali.
It is.
I'm scared. Hindi.
Why does it look like that?
Be! Feel ko maze. I feel like this is a maze.
I feel like there's jump scare there.
Ikaw mauna. Ah!
I knew it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, bro, there's so many keys. This feels like a nightmare.
It is a nightmare, bro.
I didn't sign up for this, bro.
Ako din, be.
Unknown.
You have to guess, bro. Oh
Te!
my god.
Mukha ba akong manghuhula sa inyo?
Where are you?
Ang dami naman pinto.
I'm scared when I found a door. I found the door. I found the door.
Ayun, where? Here?
Oh, it's
It's not
oh
here.
my gosh.
Guys, ang arte niya, no?
What do you mean?
Joke lang.
Bro, bilisan mo na ano. Okay, I found another one. Galing mo talaga maghula, be.
Mukha ba akong manghuhula sa inyo? Nanguhula lang naman ako ng ano. Hala guys, Monday na bukas.
Oh wait, I opened another one.
Kaya promise, wala talaga akong nabubuksan na pinto. Uy, Uy, may clock! Boy, may clock. There's a clock here.
What? What? Where?
Here.
Can you try to pick it up? Oh yeah, it's...
Ako yung nakahanap, tas ikaw yung pumulot.
Tagal mo eh.
Oh, be, naglalakad na nga ako papunta sa clock eh.
I think we need to pick up all the items we see. Naamoy mo yung gas? Meron dito na tao yung...
Guys, alam nyo ba?
Bro, nakakatakot pag halimbawa, dadala natin na open, tas nandun pala si Cassie.
Ba't wala yung kamay
Diba?
ko? Oo, ano. Uy, I see a key. Key. Abe, akong pupulot nito. Ifa-fight kita pag pinulot mo to. It's an unknown key number 8.
Key number 8.
Baka maybe it's here.
There's no key for this thing.
Key number 8. Nandun. I have no... Maybe here. Oh, I'm so smart. Oh, another key. Guys, ang talino ng ano nyo, no? Ng inyong... Basta yun.
Pero naiinis ko. Kanina pa ako dito try ng mag-pass.
Guys, natakot ako sa sinabi ni Jay. Yung what if nandun...
Okay, I found a plant.
Wow, I forgot may pinto pa here.
Beh, may na-open ako and that looks creepy. I don't know why.
We didn't sign...
But this is the last door. This is the last door, meaning Cassie might be inside there.
Where?
That door.
Eh di cover the screen na lang tayo, guys. Guys, baka may jump scare, cover niya yung screen niya, ha? Oh, it's a room. Ikaw una. Ako na nagbukas.
Oh no. Be, ako na nga kanina una eh.
Sige na nga, kapalan ko na nga mukha ko. Oh! Oh, drawing.
Oh, this is actually a cute room.
Anong cute dito, pre?
This isn't a nightmare. I told you this isn't a nightmare.
Kakasabi mo lang it is a nightmare. Why is this clock here? So,
I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I need to place all these items. Where? Here.
No! Ilalagay mo siya kung saan siya nakaano. Like dito yung clock. Tapos,
Exactly yun nga ginagawa ko, be.
ayun ba? Sorry ba? Kala ko nawalan ka kasi ng common sense.
Wait, I think na-open to. I saw it move.
Mag-do tayo sa guys. While Jade is doing all the work,
I did it.
ano nangyari? Be, ikaw na mauna, be. Ikaw na mauna.
Okay.
Ako na, kapal, ang bagal naman nito. Lalakad na nga lang. Isn't this Cassie's kitchen? What is happening? I have no idea.
Ba may doorway ni Jerry?
Oo nga, no.
Jerry ba ni Tom? I don't know, bro.
I think it's Jerry. Tom and Jerry. No, Jerry. No. Basta yun. I
I
forgot.
think we have to click these buttons. Kita mo yan? Ay parang white buttons. I think we have to click it.
I don't know. I don't care. But ang dami yung mga plato here.
Oh, wait! Pick up. Probably lalagay natin sa sink.
Guys, sa kanya yung brains, akin yung beauty. Hoy! Char.
Be?
Joke lang.
Okay, I did it. I understand it.
Maybe it's yung kagaya nung part 1 ilalagay sa table.
Yeah, yung mga yung mga like may soup ba or may liquid, lalagay mo dito. Be.
Saan nilalagay?
Dito, be. Okay. Magic sarap.
Magic sarap. Taritata. Tagal ko na din nakakatikim ng magic sarap.
Be, halos lahat talaga may magic sarap. What are you talking about?
Hindi, I mean magic sarap sa iklog.
Nilalagyan ba yun ng magic sarap? Oh my
Oo,
gosh.
yung iba nilalagyan. Oy, baka ibang iklog isipin ng iba
Okay.
dyan.
Be, lumit ako.
Ha?
Oh! Drink the potion and like, papasok tayo dito.
Ano ba yan? Sa real life pa ako matangkad to sa game ako pumandak. Eh, ang bilis natin maglakad.
Wait. I knew it. We need to press the buttons.
Wait, boy, I'm scared, boy. Boy, I'm scared, boy.
Bro, click the buttons.
I am.
Wait, I clicked this, that. Okay, I did it.
Okay.
Now let's go in
Lang,
this.
hindi ako sanay maging maliit. Oh, be, mag-escape nata tayo.
Oh no, I'm scared.
Ayun, be, tumangkad na ulit ako. Ikaw pandak pa rin. Hoy, papunta ka dito. Ifa-fight talaga kita.
Bro, I can't get in.
Te, ayan. Diyos ko. Yeah.
A maze. It's a maze. It's a
Maze.
maze.
Okay.
I feel like Cassie is gonna chase us.
Uy, wag naman ganun. Diyos ko.
I'm scared.
Wag naman
Wait,
ganun.
papatugtog ako.
Wag
I'm
naman.
gonna play
Classical music.
music.
Classical music. Play classical music para masaya. Para 'di ba hinahabol ka na nga, but you still have to be classy.
So, wait. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Saan ka? Yan.
Okay, so sa wall na to, dikit lang tayo dito and like, maybe mapafight natin because mazes are like that.
Mama mi. Hoy, nasan ka?
Be, nandito talaga ako. Hoy,
Daga.
look behind you.
Hi, be. Mwah. Hoy.
Okay, let's go. Oh, we have to press buttons. Press ko na yan, be.
Guys, wala talaga akong kwenta.
Be, nasan ka, be? I'm scared.
Isang pindot Tangli button lang yan. Kaya natin yan.
Oh my gosh, I have to mentally and physically and verbally prepare myself.
OA niya guys, no? Hoy, nasan ka? Tayo na nga lang dalawa nandito nang iiwan ka pa.
Hoy! Bro, sumunod ka kasi nasan ka ga?
Hi, boy.
You need to follow
By
the
the way,
common sense.
If one of my anak sa dojo is watching this, hello, anak. Your mother is playing Roblox. May anak ako, guys. 9 na yung
Yeah.
anak ko. 9.
So big ka.
Guys, sarap niya i-fight, no? Don't
I
worry.
know.
One day magbibideo ako, pa-fight kami.
Beh, can you pick?
Oh, umikot lang tayo. Oh, dalawang
Exactly. So dito naman, ano ba?
Guys, alam nyo ba, ang pogi niya mag-smile. Siyempre, hindi. Di nyo naman kasi kilala sinasabi ko eh. Guys, ang bulok ko.
Beh, ang bagal.
Guys,
Okay, I found it. Told ya.
guys, oh, demanding siya oh.
Ano ga? Ako na nga nagawa na lahat. Ako pa demanding.
Yes.
I knew it.
Uy, pre, nasan ka, pre? Ayun.
Oh, be. Bro, bakit lagi na lang nandun si Cassie? Like, ano ba? Magpakita ka na lang.
Ba't pa kasi
Ba, ikaw
tayo?
sumilip sa corners. Dito ka, ang bagal mo, be.
Going back to the corner where I pers. You know. Where I perso yung
Okay.
ganda,
Yeah, but...
ganda ka.
Wala naman ka na. Ano ba?
Ano gas, sinusundan kita. Uy, nasan ka, uy?
Anay sus, you're just following me and nandito ka pa. Hoy! Look back! Oh my gosh.
Hi, be.
Bigat. Oh no, here we go again.
Mama.
What did I put myself into, bro? I didn't sign up for this.
Nasaan yun? Eto.
Oh, we just
Ha?
circled around.
What's this?
Isa na lang. Bro, isa na lang.
If a fight ko talaga to.
Let's go here.
Where are you?
Lagi nang nawala eh, bro. I'm at the... Nainis ako.
Haha.
Let's go here.
Siya na
This
iinis,
side.
ako natatawa.
Bro, dito. Yan. Oh no. I feel like Cassie is here kasi merong mga particles eh.
Bahala na. Ba't
But
tumahimik?
ang dilim doon, I don't know, scared. Look at me. Oh, never mind.
I'm surprised hindi pa bingi si Jade sa pagsisigaw ko.
Ako din, be. I'm scared. But you go first. Dito ka.
Saan?
Diretso tayo. I think. Yan.
Wala.
Oh no. Dito, yan. Diretso.
Ma-double check ko lang. Wala be, umikot lang ulit tayo.
What if diretso na lang tayo doon?
There's nothing. What if dito naman tayo?
Where?
Here.
Be, dito talaga tayo duman kanina. Oh, this.
Boys only want love if it's true. Not fair, didn't say. Guys, alam nyo ba? Bro, are we almost done?
Bro!
My back is hurting.
Wala, not there. We're going on loops, bro.
Hoy, nasan ka?
I'm scared.
Pag ito talaga circle na naman, ewan ko na lang. Straight tayo. Kasi tayo ay straight. Hindi tayo gay.
Okay, that's...
Hala na wala si ate girl. Isip na to. Magto ka na lang ako.
Bro, I'm so lost.
I feel like we should go straight there. Boy.
Where are you?
Hoy. I feel like we should go straight there. Wait. Oh my.
Son.
Wait lang. Dito. Done.
Okay, I'm mentally preparing myself.
Wala.
Bro, I found something here.
Bro, I hate maze.
Same, bro.
Guys,
Ikaw muna, be.
halatang hindi kami nag-cheat, guys. Halata. Very halata. Nakailan ikot na kami dito. Hoy!
Ini, mini, mani mo. Ba't makabahan ang tao? Ang straight.
Hoy!
Sige, be, lead the way.
Wala ba, umikot lang talaga ako. Hoy, nasan yun?
What?
Hoy, pre, nasan ka? Ay, ayan.
Be!
Follow,
Inakusan mo talaga ako, be.
follow the leader, guys.
I think we have... Wait, I knew it.
Guys,
Bro!
Diyos ko!
Nasa taas lang, naghanap pa talaga ako.
Pasok, ang dami na naman susi.
Oh,
Footprints!
oh my
An
gosh.
invisible wall maze? Excuse me?
Wait, here.
Hoy, pre! Hoy, wait lang. Nalilito ako.
Oh my gosh, be! Ano ga?
Kung sino man gumawa na itong idea or maze na to.
Ito, follow this, yan. Yan, oh my gosh. Sige, be. Dito kasi!
Nalilito ako eh.
Iinis ako. Follow the footsteps! Oh my gosh. Be, dito talaga, be. Dito.
Ayun.
Oh my gosh.
Ay, to.
Yan.
Ay, to. Hi, be. Talino ko, no?
Okay, let's go.
Uy, nasan to? Uy, nasan ka? Here,
Dito,
tapos
be. Oh
here.
my gosh.
Basta dire-diretso na yun. Uy, nasan si girl?
Be, bakit ka lagi ka na lang nawawala?
Hindi sige na lang. Uy, pre, paano ka nakapunta dyan?
Because I actually have sense and direction.
Uy, pre, tulungan mo ko.
Anisus! Oh my gosh, dito. Ay, Naiinis ako, be.
Wait, lalo ako napalayo.
Dito ka, sa footstep. Yan. Then dito. O, taas. Taas.
Yun nga.
Be, dumiretso ka. Dito kasi pag ganon. Oh my gosh. Be, dun. Dun ka sa dulo na. Yan. Then punta ka dito sa baba. Dito, be. Dito. Yan. Then here. Oh, no, go there. Yan. Dito. There. Here. Hi, be.
Ay, be.
Okay, let's go here. O, diba? O, be, ikaw na mauna. I did everything.
Ano to? Chess?
Just go straight.
Chess? Uy, be!
Wait, Cassie?
Be! I'm so glad to see you.
Wait.
I'm not.
I'm kind of skeptical about this.
Before anything else, please take the candle. Please go back to the house and enter the bathroom. There's a pearl placed on the cupboard. This is the fifth and final item which needs to be destroyed.
Oh.
Use the candle to burn and come back here. Ano? Magpa-maze na naman tayo?
Wait, be careful. There's gonna be someone chasing us.
Hoy, wag naman ganun. Buti sana kung siya yung mag-chase, pero girl, ati girl, wag na. Magme-mix. Ba't ka pa kasi nawala? Ba't ka pa kasi nawala?
Wait, see our break.
2,000 years.
I'm back. Have you figured out anything?
No, tara na.
Wait.
Babalik.
Ano bang gagawin?
Wait, paano tayo papandak ulit?
Oh. I don't know.
Magme-maze na naman tayo.
No, actually. Oh wait, here, I remember it.
Guys, di ko na kaya. Sakit ng likod ko. Matanda na ako.
Wait. Wait, bakit tayo ulit nag-maze?
Ha?
Bakit ulit tayo Oh my gosh.
Hoy!
Diretso ka. Diretso. Punta ka dito, be.
Ay, babe.
But what are we gonna need to be careful about? Diba?
Malay ko. Ba't ba kasi nawala yun? Hoy!
That wasn't there.
Diba? Ikaw mauna, be. Love naman kita.
No. I
Oy,
need the...
Hoy, ako na nauna dun kay Cassie.
I did everything.
Ako nauna dun kay Cassie. Without me, you wouldn't, ano.
Bro, what do you mean? Ikaw nauna dun kay Cassie. Eh, ako naman yung nag ng maze.
Guys,
Why? Oh my gosh, I'm rethinking Maras.
ano
What
kayong
is
hahanapin
that?
na item, boy?
Pearl necklace.
Nasaan ba pamilya neto? Na inuna pa yung business trip kesa sa kanilang anak. Cover your screen, guys, in case. What color red yon?
Lagi, I think, oh nga, no? I'm scared.
Hindi yun color red kanina. Guys,
But should we stop looking for Cassie?
this is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. Hi! Joke lang, guys.
I'm scared.
Oldest goes first to protect the youngest.
No. The strongest goes first to protect the brains.
Ben, ang strongest. Nahampas nga ako ng coach ko kanina.
Okay lang yan.
Muntik na nga din ako madapa kanina nung sumisipa ako.
Actually, be, it was actually red kanina, pero nung nandito tayo, it wasn't. Sa bathroom.
Saan yung CRR? Be, ikaw na kumuha ng item, be? Hoy, nasan ka? Kunin mo yung item sa CRR, be.
Where even is it?
Hindi ko tanda. Basta may nakaano ata dun na pick up. Go inside the...
Pasok tayo.
Go
Pasok
in...
tayo, be.
Oh, Tara. Go inside the CRR. Ayun! Yun!
Nice one.
Scared.
We need to burn it. Go, burn it, burn it,
Nawala
burn it.
candle ko.
What is that? 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 What is that?
Ano yun?
There was footsteps.
Oh, hell no. So guys, cover
I
your
did
screen in case of a jump scare happens. Feel ko meron.
I never signed up for this.
Baka
We
may...
need to burn it.
Tay, nawala
We
ka.
need.
Tay, nasan yung necklace?
Di ba pinick up mo?
Hindi ko yun pinick up, be.
Then where did it go?
Nawala din candle ko.
Oh no. We're doomed.
So guys, ano yun? Nag-iba yung color. This is the end of our video.
Pepper ako, wait lang.
So guys, nagpe-pray po siya. This is the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching. And... Char, joke lang.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Hoy, we can't stay there forever.
I'm scared.
Come here.
I'm scared.
Hoy, nawala yung necklace. Nawala yung necklace.
I'm scared, bro.
Why are you scared?
Because I'm scared.
Isang pindot lang ng leave button yan.
Wait lang, be. Should I watch a tutorial?
Wag na be. That's cheating.
I'm very scared.
Be, oo na, scared ka na. Be, anong gagawin
I'm
natin?
having... Bakit ako, be? Malay ko, be?
Be, nawala yung necklace.
Nawala! Nawala!
Oo nga, nawala. Anong gusto mong sabihin ko? I need to hurry back to
Oh
class.
no! Na-burn mo na siguro! Na-burn mo na siguro because nasa sa'yo ba yung necklace mo nung nakaraan?
Be, balik
Ay,
na tayo kay
nasa-
Cassie. I need to
Hawak
hurry
mo ba yung... Hawak mo ba yung candle mo kanina?
Oo.
Nung dinalan mo?
Oo.
Okay, so it got burned. Let's go na.
Ay guys, OA lang pala talaga kami. Be, ikaw naman mauna. Ifa-fight talaga kita. Sinasabi ko sa'yo. Ay.
Oh my gosh.
Pagpapuzzle na naman tayo. Pagod na ako dito.
Ayaw. Be, ako kayo nag-iisip ko nung ikaw yung pagod.
Hoy, wait lang. Hindi pa ako nakakapasok.
O, tamo?
Guys,
Diretso lang. But sometimes I wonder, what would you do sa mazes kapag wala ako?
grabe siya, oh. What if may maze doon sa Sky Ranch? Guys, may field trip kasi kami. So, that's why.
Yeah. Bro, it's 4-5 days, bro. Oh, wait.
You did it! Now please hear me out. We are in a supernatural world lock, but
Oh, hell no!
I made a deal with the spirit, but the spirit has been trying to ruin our natural world at me. Now that we have all destroyed the 5 cursed items, we should be safe. Should be?
Uh-oh. But we need to pick this. This could probably lead to a jump scare. This could also probably lead to a jump scare, but also Cassie. So, which one? Wait, wag ka pumasok, be!
Be, tinitingnan ko, be.
Which one do you think best?
I don't know.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, let's go. Trust me.
I'm going with my
I
gut.
think,
This one seems more full. I don't know full of what, but every time something is full, para sa akin,
be,
tama
Be.
siya. Oh,
please. I think I have a very good feeling about this, but I also have a good feeling about this. I don't know.
I have
Wait,
a good feeling
let
about
us-
this.
Let us settle this down. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Okay, it landed here, and I'm scared. Here.
Okay. Ready, go na lang. Well, be, I have no fear. Be, ikaw mauna, be. Love naman kita.
Yes! Oh my gosh.
Let's get out of here.
Oh wait, I'm kind of skeptical about Cassie.
Oh, yun! Her sister. Cassie, I'm so glad you're back. Wow. Thank you, ha? You were worried, pero di mo siya hinanap. Kami pa yung naghanap, di naman namin yan kilala. It's a long
Really?
story, but hold on a moment. Thank you so much for saving me. It's a great being back and safe. I'm glad you came to
I
find me.
wonder ano kung nangyayari if yung bad yung napiling natin.
Oh, nga, no, what would happen? No, I think it's the same.
Kasi diba, one should lead to her. Can we try it?
Friend, hindi nga kita kilala.
Beh? Can we try it? Ayun o, bad ending.
Thank you so much, guys.
Beh, please, I will carry.
Be, ikaw na lang.
Oh my gosh.
So guys, that's all. Thank you so much for watching our video and for hearing me scream. That's all. Make sure to leave a like button and subscribe. And yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye!